Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video what we're going to talk about is the best online businesses to start from home, whether you're a broke beginner or a teenager or whatever you may be. Maybe you're 60 years old, 70 years old, 80 years old. I doubt there's many 80-year-olds that are watching this channel, but even if you are one of them, let me know in the comments. But even if you're a teenager, let me know as well, because you can start this business from home as long as you have an internet connection and some sort of device, whether it's a computer, a cell phone, or something like that. And if you think you don't have any, let me know in the comments and I'll let you know how you can do it anyways, because I'm sure that there are some people out there that will find an excuse to do that, but I can tell you, you don't need anything more than that. So with that being said, before we do get started, what I want you to do is to actually, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, leave me likes, dislikes, I don't really care, as long as, this channel, gets going, because I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. So if at any point in this video you get some sort of value, or if you want to know, some more stuff on online businesses and things like that, subscribe to this channel, because there's videos coming out every single week. So with that being said, let's get right into the video and the best, businesses that you can start from home right now, even if you're broke and you have zero money. So the very first one that you should probably know about, and you probably have guessed it, is starting a YouTube channel. Now, why do I think that you should start a YouTube channel? I'm not talking about a YouTube channel where, you vlog your life around and, tell people that, you got this nice pair of shoes, but instead, build a YouTube channel around something that you know something about, that you can teach. And I don't really care what it is, as long as it's helping people out. Maybe you know how to cook better than anybody else. Maybe you know how to run faster, jump higher, make some money. Maybe you know how to ride a bike better than somebody else. I don't really care what you know, but as long as you know more than some people, you don't have to be the best in the world. I'm not the best business person out there. I'm not the best YouTuber out there. Or, if I am, let me know in the comments, because I'll be glad to know that. But, either way, all you have to do is know something a little bit better than somebody else. So maybe you started your business 2 days ago. Then you probably know a bit more than somebody who's never started before. Maybe you've put out one YouTube video, and then you can teach people how to put out YouTube videos because you've already done that. So it's not, you don't have to be that, best in the world sort of thing, but you need to be able to build your craft and make it better. So the point that I want you to take away here is, don't think that you know nothing about everything. That's not true. That can't be true. Even if you think you do, maybe ask someone around you, what they would ask you a question about, whether it's your family members. Maybe you help people with their cell phones because they don't know how to work things out. Maybe, you help people with the computers because they don't know how to use their computers properly. It doesn't really matter. All you have to do is to figure out what that thing is that you do a bit better than somebody else, and then make YouTube videos about that, because I'm sure there is something, and you probably think it's just second nature, but some people don't know that about you, and you should probably help them out, and it would be a great thing to help people about that. Now, how do you make money with YouTube channel? Well, there's different ways, and those are also the other businesses that I'm going to talk about, because you can do this with a blog as well, but I think that a YouTube channel is the best. You can also combine your blog with a YouTube channel. There's nothing wrong with that, but some ways that you could monetize a YouTube channel is obviously ads. Now, to be able to get some money with ads, you do have to get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Subscribe, by the way, because I really want to get there. But, that's one of the ways that you can monetize a channel. But you don't want to wait till you get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Instead, you want to make money before. And as I've said this, a few times on this channel, the very first time I made money with this channel was when I had 12 subscribers. So you don't have to have a gigantic, following to be able to make some money, even though that will definitely help. But, you need to find a way to make money before that. And when you do get monetized, keep on doing that, because the monetization part is sweet, it's awesome, and I would love to get there. Subscribe. But even if you don't get there too fast, you can still make money, and once you do get there, that's not going to be the biggest amount of money that you're going to make. What is going to happen is that YouTube will start to push your videos a bit more, so then you will get some more traction, some more money, and things like that. And then you have more people watching, you will make more money. So what you want to do is, for example, the very first way that I made money was with affiliate marketing. And I talk about this a lot on this channel, but if you look at any big YouTuber out there, or most YouTubers in general, but some people, have a massive following and don't even think about that, but you want to do affiliate marketing. Now, if you're just vlogging about your day, talking about, things that happened that probably aren't very interesting unless you have a massive following and then people like you and, whatever. But, if you just vlog about your day, chances are you're not going to be able to make any sales. However, if you do make some sort of content around, video editing, using your computer, or anything that you know about that I mentioned in the first point, you can make some money with that, because you're going to do affiliate marketing with some of the things. Now, if you're not aware what affiliate marketing is, because, I sort of skipped over that, but affiliate marketing is basically where some company out there, and that's probably like 90% of the companies out there have affiliate programs, which means you get a cut of anything they sell. So if you sell something through affiliate marketing, the customers aren't going to pay anything more, but you will get a cut from the company. So it's the company that just gives you money, basically, if somebody purchases through your link, because obviously you're getting a customer to them, they're happy, so that way you make money. So, I've got many videos about affiliate marketing, but that's basically the base. So that's probably the best way if you're just starting out, because you don't have to put any money up front, you don't have to deal with customer support or anything like that, because if everything is handled by the company. All you have to do is get that link and send people to them. Now, you will have to enter your bank account information and things like that, but you can do that. And I'll probably do a video about the best affiliate marketing platforms or offers that you can use, but that's the basis of it. And I'll probably do that. If I think about it, that'll probably be the next video. Anyway, once you've done affiliate marketing and you've made some sales, you know that some people know you, that are interested in what you're saying. You're not talking about nothing and all of that. And by the way, if you don't make a sales before a year, that doesn't matter, because as your channel will grow, then you will make some sales. There's no question about that if you're helping people out. So just try to get better at what you're doing. The next thing that you can do, which I haven't done, but I know a ton of people that do, and you probably know a ton of people that do on the internet, is selling online courses. And a lot of people get called scams because they do that. And online courses have their place, because people are willing to pay. And myself, I have paid for courses. I'll probably be paying more for courses in the future. But courses will help you, to grow. So whether it's making money online or something else, it doesn't matter. So if you put your heart and soul into something that you will be able to sell, to make a course, then why not? Because you'll probably be able to sell that course for more than $100, and in some cases more than $1,000, and be able to make some money with that, quite easily. If you build a following, then that's the way that it's going to be able to make you, have a sustainable business, is with that. Now, not everyone does that. I know a ton of people that make great income. I don't make, courses, but, that's a great way to make some money, because you get, instead of affiliate marketing where you get, portion of the price, when you sell online courses, you will have a lot more, you will have 100%. Now, keep in mind that if you build online courses, you will need to deal with customer support and things like that. But that's just how it works. So with that being said, this was my video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure that you smash that subscribe button, because I really want to get to 1,000 subscribers. And also, I'll see you next week for the next video. Bye for now.